Take a wild guess. How long do you think someone had hiccups for? A few hours and maybe a couple of days. So, well, hold on to your seats. Because Charles Osborne had the longest hiccuping spree on record, lasting a jaw-dropping 68 years. That's right, 68 years of constant hiccups. Can you imagine? That's 430 million hiccups. Talk about a case of hiccups that just won't quit. And just when he thought they might never stop, they finally did, but only after 68 years. I'm hiccuping just thinking about it. What's the longest hiccuping spree you've ever had? Comment below.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos.